In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch ESPN on Roku without a TV provider, so you can enjoy live sports and exclusive content hassle-free. Start by subscribing to ESPN Plus, a standalone streaming service that doesn't require a TV provider. Go to the Roku channel store, search for the ESPN app, and install it on your device. Open the app and sign in with your ESPN Plus account credentials. If you don't have an account, create one and subscribe directly through the app. With ESPN Plus, you'll get access to live events, original shows, and on-demand content. For offline viewing, download games or shows using the ESPN app on your smartphone or tablet. Alternatively, subscribe to services like Hulu Live TV or YouTube TV, which include ESPN and don't require a traditional cable subscription. Add these services to your Roku device and link your account to start streaming. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy ESPN on Roku without a TV provider.